Hello learners, welcome back to my channel Shraddha's Physics. In this part we will discuss about packing fraction. So let us start with our topic. So the packing fraction of the nucleus, it is defined as the mass excess for nucleon. Okay, this is the excess mass for nucleon. So excess mass means it is the difference between the mass of the nucleus and the mass number of the nucleus. So this is simply m minus a, that is m is the actual weight of the nuclei and a is the mass number. So that is the packing fraction can be written as equal to mass excess divided by the mass number. Excess mass means if you will weight a nucleus, then this will be capital M minus the original mass number will be a. So this m minus a divided by a, it will give the packing fraction. So basically this packing fraction measures the stability of the nucleus. Smaller the packing fraction, larger is the stability of the nucleus. So from this graph you can see, if you will plot the curve between the mass number, that is A, and the packing fraction, then you can see the graph will be just look like this. This is, if you will start from minus 20, minus 10, this is your 0 point, this is 10 and 20. This packing fraction, it actually measures the stability of the nucleus, that is how much stable is the nucleus. That is, if you see from this graph, for A equal to 16, that is when this mass equal to 16, atomic mass is 16, so the packing fraction is here 0. So this packing fraction will be 0. And for the very light nuclei, so that is when A is less than 16, so the packing fraction will be large. So in that case, packing fraction will be less. It means that when the packing fraction will be less, so they will be unstable in nature. That is, as A increases, that is this atomic mass increases beyond A equal to 16, you can see here, beyond A equal to 16, in this case, the packing fraction becomes the negative and decreases with the increasing mass number. So you can see here, now the packing fraction will be negative. These are your negative value. So this packing fraction will be negative. So the packing fraction will be negative. So decreases with the increasing the mass number. Beyond the certain value of the mass number, packing fraction starts increasing till it becomes 0. Now it will try to increase and now it will goes again 0 at this point. So at A greater than 240, the packing fraction becomes large. So the heavy nuclei are unstable in nature. So therefore, the nuclei of the intermediate mass number, they are relatively stable. That is, neither the light nuclei nor the heavier nuclei, they are stable in nature. Rather, the intermediate mass numbers are relatively stable in nature. So this is all about your packing fraction. This is all for today. Thank you.